Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Color Segmentation using OpenCV in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Color segmentation is a crucial computer vision technique that involves dividing an image into distinct color regions. OpenCV, a popular computer vision library in Python, provides powerful tools for color segmentation. This tutorial will guide you through the process of color segmentation using OpenCV, along with practical code examples. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Step 1. Import libraries. Step 2. Read the image. Step 3. Convert to HSV color space. Step 4. Define color range. Choose the color range you want to segment. HSV is often preferred for color segmentation due to its simplicity. Use an online color picker tool to find the HSV values of your desired color range. Step 5. Create a mask. Step 6. Apply the mask to the original image. Step 7. Display the original and segmented images. Explanation. Customization. Feel free to experiment with different color ranges and adjust the parameters to suit your specific use case. Conclusion. Color segmentation is a fundamental technique in computer vision, and OpenCV simplifies the process with its easy-to-use functions. By following this tutorial and experimenting with different images and color ranges, you can gain a better understanding of color segmentation using OpenCV in Python. ChatGPT.